I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Today I am joining in with Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley, and her word this month for her challenge is animals. And I chose horses. I wanted to tell you something that you might be doing that you are unaware is animal cruelty. First of all, when you're going down the highway or riding on the driving on the byways and you see a truck pulling animals of any sort, chickens or cows, but especially horses, what you need to know is horses, goats, pigs, cows stand in the back of a trailer and they're working the whole time that vehicle is in motion. It's like being out on a racetrack trotting the whole time. They are working, and when you pull out in front of them because you're aggravated that the people pulling that trailer are driving cautiously because of their animals, and you whoosh around them and get in front of them and slow down, that driver has to tap the brakes, and those animals all go forward like this. That's why when you see horse trailers, horses are in diagonally, not straight ahead, because they will hit their face when you pull in front of them and make them have to hit those brakes. Drive carefully and give anybody pulling animals the right of way. On trails, when you're out riding your bike or hiking, hands down, horses have the right of way, dogs are the very bottom. Be careful with animals. They're here too, and they have a place on earth just as we do. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. That's my dog in the other room.